where every dawn awakens with rhythm, color, and devotion. A land where every season brings a new celebration, where temples echo with chants, lamps flicker with faith, and hearts dance in unison with the rhythm of life. Each celebration is not just an event, it is an emotion, woven with colors of devotion, grace, and elegance. Through this performance, we invite you to journey with us into the world of Kerala's festivals, where culture meets rhythm, where elegance meets emotion, and where every step tells a sacred story. Let the rhythm speak, let the movement celebrate, and let your heart feel the vibrance of Kerala.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणवन्दिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय